it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about this camping chair, extra large size. So if you have a big guy in your family, this is the chair that you need. I'm super excited to check this out because we're not small people and we need a bigger style chair. And this is the chair for you. So let's open this up and check it out. Comes in its own storing case, and it's actually not too heavy. This is a pretty simple chair to carry. I like the storing case on it. So now let's open this up. Feel the softness of it already. So let's get this thing opened up. This is a very substantial chair. So this chair is really substantial. I'm like 235 pounds. And this is super comfortable. It fits me great. My husband's a little bit over 300 pounds, so I'm gonna have him sit in it. But this is a really comfortable chair. This is a really comfortable chair. Like, I got this chair free for review. I think my husband's really gonna like this chair. If I'm going to a sporting event, camping, if I just wanna chill out by the pool, this is the chair to have. Like, this is, you wanna come up here? This is super substantial. Come on. I can move in it. It doesn't tip over. Down here. I got this chair free for review, and I highly recommend. No, we recommend this chair, and we highly recommend this chair. Super easy to unfold, and watch me fold it back. And just like that, it was super easy to store, zip up, and carry. I got this free for review, and I highly recommend this.